Hi, I'm Valeria from local Aromas in Italy, and I'm here with my sister Benedetta.
And today we're going to be making tiramisu. She's a pastry chef. Go.
First thing, you need to prepare coffee. We used a mocha machine. You let it cool and you start working on the first main ingredient, which is the egg. Now, tiramisu is a non-baked egg, so we like to pasteurize our eggs so we know they are organic. What you do is you get two very simple ingredients, water and sugar. You mix them together and you put them over the stove until it turns into a syrup at the temperature of 121 degrees Celsius.
Which I looked is 250 degrees Fahrenheit.
Exactly.
When this reaches the right temperature, you have the egg yolks in the metal bowl. Now this is very important. Use a metal bowl because it's going to get really, really hot, and then you're going to know that it's ready when it starts cooling down. So you take the whiskers, you start whisking, and then you gently pour, not a drop at a time, but gently, this mixture inside the batter. Always whisking.
Exactly.
Until it turns into this fluffy white air deliciousness.
You add mascarpone to the egg mixture and you whip the panna, which is whipped cream. You're going to be whipping it because we're not using the egg whites.
No, exactly.
We are using panna. And once that also gets white and fluffy and full of air, you mix it with the egg batter.
And you fold.
And you have mascarpone cream.
Now comes the fun part. Imagine making a sweet lasagna. Okay, so we're gonna make it in these individual little cups because then we're gonna eat it. You can make it in a bigger platter. It depends on how many hungry mouths you have to feed. So you dirty the bottom with the cream. Then you take, we have lady fingers, but you can use anything that's spongy, and you start putting a layer. Then you take more cream, and then you add it on top, and then you put another layer of cookies. In this case, you're gonna go until the jar closes. 3 or 4 layers is fine. And then what's the last step?
You add cocoa powder so it seals the cream and it doesn't have it dry out. You put it in the fridge and you have it sit
for at least 3 hours. Even if you do it the night before, for the day after, it's even better, and it's wonderful. And at that point, all you have to do is grab a spoon.
Have your tiramisu.
And buon appetito.